All right, so it looks like we're back on YouTube. Now I know before everyone, all 98 of you, start getting, all crazy, like why haven't you been posting content? Where have you been? What's going on? Truth is, a lot's been going on these last few months. I moved into a new place. You can see this is not my usual office setup. I'm not at my parents' house anymore. I'm actually in my own place, my own condo here in downtown Calgary. But we've been doing a lot of work at the agency. We've been hiring new people. We've been onboarding new clients, really dialing in. And so honestly, a lot of the time I've just been focusing so much on my agency that I've forgotten to make content. I've also gotten lazy with the content. Also stopped making content because I just got unmotivated by it. The content that I was making before, although it was valuable, although it was informative, it helped a lot of people. I know that I'd get comments on it and also DMs from a lot of you guys saying like how helpful it was. I just truly didn't enjoy it. I didn't find it unique. I didn't find it enjoyable or entertaining or anything. And that's kind of what got me onto YouTube. I've always loved YouTube because it's so entertaining, but it can also add value and be informative. That's my goal today. I'm gonna share with you guys some of the newer style content that I'm gonna be getting into, who it's tailored for, but then also giving you guys a big condo tour, showing you guys around the condo and allowing you to kind of see my new pad, getting an inside look at everything. So let's jump in. A little bit of a life update. We are in a new condo. I moved in here in December of 2020. And basically just been dialed in, focusing on my agency. Have not been making so much content as I used to. I did get into a little bit of a TikTok trend there. It was really good. I was making a lot of agency content, but again, same sort of thing with YouTube. It was like I was making content that was just skimming the surface. I wasn't going deep into actual topics, and it just wasn't super entertaining. So I actually stopped completely with TikTok as well too, but I'm gonna be looking to get back onto that as well too. But yeah, like I said, I'm here in a new condo and just basically been dialed in. Been taking a lot of advice from other agency owners. We actually recently joined copy-paste agency from Iman Gadji, who is also the owner of Grow Your Agency, which has been absolutely first class. It's been an amazing experience getting to meet other agency owners in multiple different niches. It's also been great learning from the team at Grow Your Agency and Iman himself. I think for myself, I was able to scale my agency to about a $10,000 to $15,000 mark, and with some months doing $20,000, even $25,000 a month. But the tough part is getting past that for me. It was always I felt like I was hitting my head on this glass ceiling. And so what really opened us up to just new ways to really evolve and scale was Iman and his team, and just being able to dive into the course content that they have available with CPA. And it's just been absolutely first class. I'll actually probably make my own video on copy-paste agency and agency incubator without going into details of what's actually in the course content, but just giving a review of it, just because it has been first class. And if you are someone who's looking to get into marketing, whether you're in an employment position or you're trying to start your own agency, I would definitely recommend you taking a look at agency incubator or CPA, just getting to meet the people there, because it is absolutely first class. But that's it for promotion for CPA. Back to business. Basically, we've been scaling a lot. We've been dialed in. We've been, really putting our head down, just focusing in on how we can scale the agency. And it's been great. We've been onboarding small size clients, medium size, large size. So it's been super, super fun. We recently hired a new copywriter who's writing all of the landing page copy as well as the ad campaign copy for all of our clients, which is super helpful. We're actually looking to onboard a new media buyer as well too, because we have so many leads coming in through just the different avenues of how we go and do our lead gen. We're just getting so many leads in, so now we feel like we have the pick of the litter. We don't saying yes to 2-3 clients a month when we can be saying yes to 5-6 clients a month, and them still being high quality leads and high quality clients. We're super excited to be bringing on a new media buyer. It's going to give us a lot of breathing room. Our current media buyer Daisy is going to have a lot more headspace, I feel like, a lot more capacity, and so it's just gonna be great. We're doing a lot of transitions right now. We're growing our systems. We're still a fairly new agency. I mean, literally April, which is when I'm filming this right now, is when we landed our first paid traffic client. We landed our first client as an agency way back, I think it was November, but literally landed our first paid traffic client this month. So it's been a full year. It's been one full year of us actually landing a paid traffic client, which is unbelievable to even think of. But most of all, we are super excited because I'm going to be coming out with tons more content on YouTube, stuff that, as I mentioned, is unique, stuff that I'm excited to actually post, still informative, still tailored for those of you who are maybe in a marketing employment position, or you're actually looking to start your own advertising agency, or maybe you're an e-commerce store owner. I know that there's a lot of people on here that do watch me and do engage with me on like Instagram and Facebook and stuff, who do run e-com brands and are looking to scale their businesses and just absolutely like explode them from small businesses to medium-sized businesses. And so this content's gonna be for you. I'm gonna be diving deep into some of the Facebook ad content, Instagram content, literally how we curate our ad copy, how we break down all of our ads, how we coordinate our clients to make certain creatives for certain parts of the funnel, like literally every single angle you can ever think of when it comes to running ads. We're gonna dive into that. And so I'm super excited to be sharing that content with you, but still making it entertaining so that you're not sitting at your computer wondering like, oh my God, like is this guy ever gonna shut up? And that's a problem for me. Like there's a lot of people on YouTube who are super helpful, don't get me wrong, they add a ton of value, they're very informative, but you sit there and you're just like trying not to fall asleep. And that's my goal, is I want to make this fun, because running an agency is very exciting. It's a very exciting business model. It's a very exciting system, because once you literally automate it and just make it like a well-oiled machine, you're only working like 3-4 hours a week. And right now I'm in the process of working there. I'm not quite there yet, but we will get there. We will get there very soon. Mark my words. So, like I said, you're a marketer, you're an employee working for an agency, or you're trying to start your own agency, you're an e-com brand owner, this content is gonna be for you, and it's gonna be kept very entertaining. But without boring you guys, today's more of a vlog style. Let's jump right into the condo tour and just show you guys a little bit about what's going on in the condo, how I've set it up, how I furnished it, how my studio looks. It's gonna be super cool. So let's get straight to it. All right, so starting with the front entrance of the condo. So right now, you basically walk in through this big, long hallway. We got the bathroom here, nothing great to see there. But then you go down this big hallway. We got all of my paintings up that were actually in my office at my parents' house. And I love them. I don't know, it just gives like this really cool bougie vibe to the whole place. But I actually had these paintings up in my parents' house in my office, but then I decided to move them in here just because there's not a whole lot of wall space in the office, which I'll show you guys a little bit later on. But basically, then we walk into my actual bedroom. I'll actually flip around the camera so you can actually see what's going on here. All right, so like I was saying, you walk into the bedroom. I got my blackout blinds down right now just because the sun shines here at like 7 in the morning. It's absolutely ridiculous. So I got my bedroom here. It's all concrete. You can see the walls and the roof. It's all concrete, which is super dope. It's a very minimalist vibe here. But then basically out the big floor to ceiling windows, it's all downtown Calgary. A little bit lower than I would have liked. I'm on the 5th floor here. I am definitely aspiring to get to a higher floor in the future, but you can definitely see how it's just a great view. Like even at nighttime, like when all the lights are on, like downtown just looks super, super sick from my bedroom. Another thing that I forgot to mention, I know it's like daylight right now, so you can't really see, but I basically LED stripped all behind my bed and changed all the lights and everything in here. So at nighttime, I just get like super monk mode. I make my tea, I turn all of the lights on, and it's just like, it looks like a rave. It looks literally like a full-on brothel in here, which is hilarious, but I don't know, I find it super peaceful. And what I've learned is actually blue light at night is obviously terrible. Everyone knows that's why I'm wearing my blue light blockers, but red light is actually incredible. It puts you to sleep. And so it's been something new I've been trying out, been hearing it from a lot of people. So trying it out. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. If it works, then good on me. So yeah, moving on from the bedroom into the kitchen. So basically you walk into the kitchen dining area, got my bar cart, got my nice picture of Biggie. Can't really see it because of the light, but I'll show you. But yeah, floor to ceiling windows, self-facing, so I get tons of sunlight the whole day. And then basically walk in, got my living room. My kitchen is connected, so it's very like sort of loft style. And then yeah, again, floor to ceiling windows on the south-facing side. And I got this nice big window here. Again, same sort of view of Calgary downtown, basically, that my bedroom has, but it's super chill, super cool. And then like I was saying, this is my painting of Biggie, which is super dope. And I got this from, again, another e-commerce store. I'm not too sure what they're called, but if I do find them, if I find the receipt, I'll link it down below because they got a lot of really cool portraits. This is awesome. And then, yeah, so I just wanted to make this place like feel as good as possible and just be a dope space where I feel like I could have all of my friends come here, chill, hang out, and be able to party. The tough part about having a sweet pad and
having furnished it and everything is we're in the middle of the pandemic, can't have people over, and so it's kind of going to waste. But it's all good. I'll have all this stuff for future places, and hopefully when this whole gong show ends, then we can have a big rager here. So it'll be super dope. And then walking into my studio, so I'll show you guys, I'll make it all theatrical for you. So got this nice like paneled glass door, basically just open it on up. And then this is the office. So you walk in, got everything here, got my sound condensing foam on the concrete wall, basically the exact same sort of setup that I had at my parents' house. And yeah, this is literally like where I spend 5 hours at a minimum to sometimes 12, 13 hours a day, just basically running the agency, making content, doing everything that I gotta do today. And then here's the corner, I got all my camera equipment stuff. It's a decent pad. It's a decent pad. I think the only thing that I'm gonna be doing with the office is getting a sit stand sort of desk, get some legs that actually raise up. So I'd prefer to stand in my office, because I do find that if I'm just sitting down all day, like I get crazy notifications from my Apple Watch telling me to like get up and breathe and do all this stuff. And I'm like, holy. So it gets a little bit crazy, but I want to get a sit stand desk and then also renovate the patio a little bit, add some stuff there so that I can start working outside and have a good time there too. So yeah, and I'll show you guys the patio right now. If I can open this up. So yeah, the patio is huge. This is like one of the biggest selling parts of this place. So we got like literally, don't mind my recycling there, but the patio is the whole length of the actual place. So it literally goes to like where my office is, and then it goes all the way to where the end of my wall is. So it's super dope. It's very wide. So we're definitely gonna have a lot of really cool things here. I think me and my girlfriend, we're gonna put like basically like an L couch in here, and then we're gonna get a fire table. I'll show you actually. Fire table there, nice big L couch, and then it's gonna basically come like all the way over here. And then, yeah, we'll probably have like a nice cute little like dining set here and stuff. And so, yeah, it'll be super dope. Definitely looking forward to actually getting that all renovated, because like this was a main selling point for me to get this place, because I know that it's self-facing. I want to be able to like sit out there, tan, work, get on my laptop, do some stuff. And so, yeah, super cool. So this is my first place. There's going to be a lot better places that come. I can promise you that. And yeah, I'm definitely excited to just be settled in here, have a space where I feel like I can be confident and comfortable just doing my work, doing what I have to do, whether it's running my agency, making content, and just doing what I got to do. Now, for the moment you guys have all been waiting for, I know there's a lot of people that subscribe my channel and follow me that are into either being a marketer, running an agency, maybe you're employed by a marketing agency, you're someone who maybe even runs an e-commerce store, is looking to start an e-commerce store, stuff like that. The type of content I'm gonna be looking to release is going to be tailored towards both areas. So if you're an agency owner or you're somebody who is in a marketing role, you're gonna learn a lot, because we're gonna talk a lot about, ad platforms, running ads, how we structure our funnel for clients, everything, literally how we, are able to scale immensely for all of our clients and things like that. And so if you're a marketer, it's gonna help you a lot. If you are someone who's in e-commerce, you are definitely gonna get a ton of value as well too, because we're gonna be going over all of our funnels, our ads, creatives, copy, everything. And like I said, I really want to make this content just very unique in the sense where it's all transparent, it's all honest, it's all things that I've actually done or my agency has done personally. We're not going to speak on like theories or anything like that. And if we do find theories and we want to maybe teach on them or something in this YouTube content, we're gonna test them out. We're gonna put our own dollars into it first, test it out, and then if we can build some proof of concept around it, we'll share it with you guys. And I'm gonna look to actually incorporate a lot of my team members in this type of content as well too. I know that obviously it's fun seeing just this beautiful face, but I'd like to bring my team in and have them share some of their ideas as well too behind the camera and give some value to you guys as well too who are also tuning in. So guys, I'm filming on my camera right now, so I apologize if like the quality is completely different than my other scenes and stuff, but that will wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna try to come out with at least a video a week. It's gonna be tough. We're busy here at the agency, but I promise you, we're gonna try. And so, hope you enjoy the content, and we will see you guys next time. Peace.